is called A Yellow-Naped Amazon Parrot. Groucho, can you give everybody out there a great big hello? Nice. Very nice. Now, yellow-naped Amazon parrots are normally found in the forests of Central America, but not Groucho. He has lived with people his entire life, and he's learned to take mimicry to a whole new level. Are you ready to show him? More amazing than that is he actually knows the lyrics to 7 different songs from beginning to end. Would y'all like to hear another song? Oh, Groucho, they're being real sweet out there. Let's do something special. Can you give everybody out there a great big kiss? Oh, what happened to the end of that one? How about, what are you looking at up there? Yeah, keep your eye to the sky, Groucho. I think we're safe though. I think those are just vultures. Yeah, don't worry. Just look alive. Okay, are you ready? Can we get a great big kiss? Oh no. Yeah, are you ready? Okay, everything's fine. We're safe up here. Oh, you want it? What? We didn't finish the kiss. You gotta do your kiss. How about a great big kiss? There we go. Good stuff, that kiss. I agree. Nice job, Groucho. Okay, now you can pick any of the other songs you would like to sing for everyone. Are you ready?